RFID technology is something that is pervasive but not invasive. Take, for example, the Tribal Sprint event held in Sengkang recently, where athletes have to go through a 3 kilometers run, 15 kilometer cycle race, and end up with another 3 kilometer run. How are the timing being tracked? The timing are being tracked using RFID. All the athletes need to do is to strap a RFID tag to the ankle, and they just go through the race like normal. Is it invasive to them? Not at all. So they could do their race without even thinking about what RFID is doing for them. In Singapore, RFID market is worth at least $20 million per year, and this will be made up of sales of RFID tag, sale of RFID reader, and the system integration part. The software development to automate the business process using RFID, and that is a very important component of successful RFID implementation. Frost and Sullivan estimated that by year 2016, the RFID revenue in Asia Pacific will be worth $2 billion. Three industries that is driving the adoption of RFID are the laundry industry, the construction industry, as well as library. In the laundry industry, the successful use of RFID at the recent Youth Olympic held in Singapore, where the athletes' uniform are tagged using RFID, where the athletes send the garment for washing, and after washing, the RFID tag on the garment help to quickly identify who to return the uniform back to. In the construction industry, there are two main drivers for the adoption of RFID. One is the increase in safety standards, and two is the improvement in RFID tag technology. With the increasing safety standard put on the construction industry find it very necessary to use RFID to help them identify their equipment and metal structures efficiently. With that, we have the improvement in RFID technology, where once upon a time, RFID tags do not work well with metals. Now, with the new encapsulation methods and material, RFID can be used on metals just like any other material, whereby their read range and read performance is not compromised. Singapore started applying RFID in libraries in 1998, and since then 1 million tags has been consumed every year. Up to today, the Singapore Public Library's RFID system remained the largest RFID implementation in the world. These three applications will be discussed during the RFID World Asia 2011 conference.